Wait till you see what my Nina does with this.
Okay.
People in China can't see YouTube, can they?
Thank you. Hello, good people. I am in West Virginia at the snow with my family. I am not going to do snow. I am going into the lodge and eat, drink, and be merry while they take skiing lessons. While my family was out taking ski lessons or snowboard lessons or whatever they were doing, I got a table in the ski lodge and I had all of my fabric with me. So I leaned my phone up against something and tried to make this video for you. This is, there's a lot missing in this video, so I'll make it again, but I'll give you a general idea of how I make this fabric necklace. I need 4 tubes, 4 fabric tubes to make this bracelet, to make this necklace. So I'm trying to roll them up because normally if I was at home, I would sew the tubes and put the rope through the tubes. But I'm trying to roll it and glue it, which was really kind of a challenge. And you'll see at the end that I finally just started to wrap it the same way that I do bracelets. I cut the material in 2-inch wide pieces, but it's going to vary according to how thick your cording is. My cord was 1/4 inch thick cord. We're back at the condo now, and I'm at the dining room table. This is my setup. This is my video setup. So this is to show you that you can do, if you want to do this, make videos, you can start with what you have. You see what I have? I have my phone propped up on these popcorn boxes. This is the last tube, so I decided to go ahead and just try to wrap that one. So you can see that I folded the fabric on one side, and I'm still using the tacky glue, but I'm just going to wrap it, and that was much easier than the other way that I tried to do it. When I start my wrap, I try to leave about 1 inch or so of material on the end that doesn't have the rope in it. I also do the same thing at the end. I left this part out of the first video, and this is the most important part, is how you start the braiding. I put all 4 pieces together and I taped them together by the loose ends, and then I tape that to my table or whatever my surface is, and then I start to braid. I have my 4 pieces, so I'm braiding the tubes now, which was the purpose of making 4 different tubes. And I have to apologize because I did not realize that once I finished this part, I didn't turn the camera on when I was finishing the back of it to do the closure. So I'll have to show that in another video. I'm cutting 3 of my tubes to prepare to make the closure. I'm going to put tape on them to hold them so that they won't come loose while I'm making the closure. I'm going to show you how to close this off in the next necklace. Here's the start of the second one. I have 4 2-inch wide pieces of material. You're going to have to determine the length because it's determined by how long you want your necklace to be. I had to wrap another tube for the other side of my necklace. I hope this was clear enough. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm away from my normal setup, so I could have left something else out. But I really wanted to get this video out while I had the time. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Share it if you want to share it with somebody. This is Sherry, and I am saying, as always, be blessed.